Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of IELTS Speaking Sample. I'm Thúy from the IELTS Workshop. Today, we have a very interesting topic of IELTS Speaking Part 1, challenges. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1. What subject do you think is the most challenging at school? For me, mathematics has always been the most tedious and challenging subjects because I just don't have an aptitude for it. I find crunching numbers incredibly tedious, and to be honest, math lesson in high school often made me lose focus or even drift off to sleep. Number 2. Do you like to challenge yourself? Yes, I'm a person who enjoys taking on challenges. I remember clearly when I just graduated from university, I juggled 3 jobs just to see how well I could manage my time and push my limits. Number 3. Do you like to live a life that has a lot of challenges? Probably not. Constantly facing difficult situations can leave me feeling exhausted and overwhelmed with stress. That's why I preferred more peaceful and predictable lifestyles with minimal challenges. Number 4. How do you usually deal with challenges in daily life? I have a few strategies when faced with difficult situations. First, I maintain a positive mindset. I believe challenges make my life more interesting and rewarding because overcoming hurdles and solving problems can give me a real sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. I also break tasks into smaller steps. This keeps me from feeling overwhelmed and lets me handle each part more effectively at a time. Besides, I'm not afraid to ask for a hand if needed. 2 heads are often better than 1. Okay, so that is my speaking sample. How about you? Are you a challenge taker? Tell me in the comments down below. Okay, see you next time.